Hi everyone, so another recipe from the Complete Keto Dessert Cookbook. This time I'm doing easy peanut butter cookies. There's the nutritional facts. So I need peanut butter, obviously. I'm using mostly natural. And erythritol. I'm using my regular monk fruit that I use. 1 egg. Get that out of the shell though. Here we go. Vanilla. And a pinch of salt. So first thing, you set the oven to 350. And this is why I think it's called simple. You just put everything in the bowl. So let's see. No, I'm not going to start with that. Peanut butter first. Sticky stuff. Come on. Alright. Now I'll just put the egg in. And now the sweetener, I believe. Yep. The vanilla. A little more in the bowl still. Well, it's a lot like soy sauce, but it's not. And the salt. And mix it up. I had a little trouble getting the egg to incorporate, but once it did, it actually formed a nice little dough. And just keep mixing it. See there, you can see it's made of dough. It's not sticky. Now I need a sheet pan. Let me move it since it appeared crooked. Parchment paper. And I'm going to dish them out. I'm making, if I remember right, 16 because that's what the recipe said. 15 because I did 3 rows of 5, so that'd be 15. Okay. I had a little extra, so I'm just going to plop it on top. And after I do that, I then distribute it among the balls and roll them. Okay. I'm just going to use this fork to make the traditional peanut butter crisscrosses. Should have had a bowl of water or something to dip the fork in to keep it from sticking. I ended up finding it helped if I kind of rolled the fork upwards. Now into the oven. Alright. I think I did these about 11 minutes. Now let's see, this is actually the first time I checked them. And they look perfect actually. So, with them cool, I had to end up switching, just putting the parchment paper on because those two fell apart. Now, they really firmed up as they cooled. That sweetener really helped. Thanks for watching.